Annyeonghaseyo, KFlashX fam. Have you ever seen your favorite K-drama character drop some intense slang, or heard your bias use a super casual phrase and thought, I should totally use that? Well, hold up. While K-pop and K-dramas are amazing for learning Korean, some of that cool slang can actually land you in hot water if you're not careful. Today, we're diving into the dark side of K-pop slang, phrases you should absolutely not say in Korea, and why. First up, let's talk about how we address people. In Korea, respect and hierarchy are super important, and misusing a simple greeting or title can instantly make you seem impolite, even if you don't mean to. Hey/you. Never use this to call out a stranger, an elder, or anyone you don't have a very close, informal relationship with, e.g., a younger sibling or a very close friend of the same age. It's extremely rude and demanding.
Yeah.
Now you try. Formal.
Yeah.
Casual.
It is already the most casual form. There is no more casual version. Instead, use a person's name plus yeah, is, jim이나 yeah, if you are very close and they are younger or same age. Yeah.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
Yeah. 네. 이거 얼마예요?
Watch your pronunciation, it's a very short, abrupt sound. Don't drag it out. It's not YAAA, but a quick, sharp YA. The Y sound is like in yes, and a like in father. They would reply,
Most likely, you will get a confused or annoyed stare, or a very cold ne.
In K-drama, while common in intense scenes, avoid mimicking its usage from shows like The Glory where characters use it to assert dominance or disrespect. Auntie/middle-aged woman. Avoid using this to address any middle-aged woman you don't know, especially if she appears younger or is in a service role. It can be seen as ageist or rude. Use a-JUM-ma boss/owner, or I-am-onim auntie, often used for restaurant workers, if appropriate, or just GOGIO, excuse me.
a-JUM-ma.
Now you try. Formal.
a-JUM-ma.
Casual.
The term itself is a general title. The more formal respectful alternatives are 사장님, 사장NIM, for a business owner, 이모님, IMONIM, for a restaurant worker, or simply 저기요, GOGIO, to get attention. a-JUM-ma.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
a-JUM-ma, 이거 얼마예요? 네, 사장입니다. 10,000원입니다. 아, 죄송합니다.
Watch your pronunciation, the sound is tricky. It's not a hard J like in jump, but a softer, slightly aspirated CH sound, like in church but without the T before it. Think a-JUM-ma. They would reply,
A slightly annoyed ne.
in K-drama, in Reply 1988, the neighborhood women are often called by the kids, but they have a close, familial relationship. Don't use it with strangers. Older brother, used by females, /term for an older male friend/boyfriend. While beloved by K-pop fans, using with a stranger, a casual acquaintance, or someone significantly older than you, unless they've explicitly told you to, is usually inappropriate. It implies a level of closeness and intimacy that isn't there. It's generally used by a younger female to an older male, or as a romantic term.
오빠.
Now you try. Formal.
오빠.
Casual.
This is already a casual term. 4A 스트레인저 오르 A 시니어 유스 선배님 선배 NIM 4A 시니어 컬리그 스튜어던트 오르 저스트 저기요 지오지아요 투 겟 어텐션 오르 선생님 선생 NIM 4A 티처 프로페셔널 오빠
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
오빠 이거 주세요. 네, 잠시만요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The double is a tense, unaspirated P sound. It's not opa, like a whisper, but a firm, almost popping op-pa. Tense your throat slightly when making the P sound. They would reply.
A 서프라이즈드. 네.
In K-drama, in weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju often calls Jun-hyung once their close relationship develops. It's a sign of their bond, not a general greeting. Next up, let's talk about some common K-pop slang phrases that, while popular, can sound immature, overly casual, or even rude if used in the wrong context or with the wrong people. OMG/wow, expression of surprise/disbelief. This is a very casual, often youthful, exclamation. It's fine with close friends your age, but using it with elders, in formal settings, or when something serious happens can sound childish, disrespectful, or dismissive.
헐.
Now you try. Formal.
헐.
Casual.
This is already very casual. 4A more polite or general expression of surprise. use 세상이 오르저머나 JUM-ma. 헐.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
헐, 진짜요. 응, 진짜 대박이지? 대박.
Watch your pronunciation. The EO vowel is a common trap. It's not hull like a boat, but more like the O in sun or love. Your mouth should be relaxed, slightly open, and the sound comes from the back of your throat. They would reply.
에이 confused네.
In K-drama, in Extraordinary Attorney Woo, you might hear younger characters use it, but never Attorney Woo herself, highlighting its informal nature. Awesome/jackpot/big hit. While is incredibly common and generally positive, overusing it or using it in highly serious or formal contexts can make you sound immature or overly dramatic. It's best reserved for genuinely exciting or impressive casual situations with friends.
대박.
Now you try. Formal.
대박.
Casual.
This is a casual expression. For more formal phrase. use 정말 멋져요. 정말 미어트제이오요. 오르 훌륭해요. 홀렐와요엔지해요. 대박.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
나 BTS 콘서트 티켓 얻었어. 우와, 대박. 진짜 기적이야.
Watch your pronunciation. The AE vowel is often mispronounced. It's not DAE-bak but closer to the in cat or apple, but slightly wider. Your mouth should be open, and the tongue flat. They would reply.
With friends, unexcited 등. 대박.
In K-drama, in startup, characters use to express excitement about their business ideas, but they wouldn't use it during a formal investor pitch. Really? Using, with an incredulous or challenging tone can sound like you're doubting or accusing the speaker, especially if they are your senior or in a position of authority. While fine with close friends, use more polite or understanding in other contexts.
진짜.
Now you try. Formal.
진짜.
Casual.
This is already casual. For a more polite version. use 정말요? 정말요. 오르 정말이세요? 정말아이세요? 진짜.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
오늘 야근해야 돼요. 진짜요. 네, 일이 많아서요.
Watch your pronunciation. The double is a tense, unaspirated J sound. It's not jin-JJA but a sharper, more clipped jin-JJA. Tense your tongue against the roof of your mouth before releasing the sound. They would reply.
With friends. 응, 진짜.
In K-drama, in Vincenzo, characters might use to challenge each other, but it's always within the context of their relationship and power dynamics. Finally, let's tackle some phrases that can be downright offensive or incredibly impolite, often picked up from intense K-drama scenes but never meant for real-life polite conversation. Get lost/go away, extremely rude. This is an extremely strong and offensive command, basically telling someone to buzz off or go to hell. Never use this in any real-life situation, especially with strangers or anyone you wish to show respect to. It's only used in very angry, confrontational situations.
꺼져.
Now you try. Formal.
꺼져.
Casual.
There is no polite or casual version of 꺼져. If you want someone to stop bothering you, use 그만하세요. 저음만하세요. Please stop. 오르 가세요. 가세요. Please go. Still firm, but not offensive. 꺼져.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
꺼져. 뭐라고? 두 번 말 안 해.
Watch your pronunciation. The is a tense, double K sound, like in sky but without the S, your throat should be tense. The yo vowel is like yo in yogurt. They would reply.
Extreme anger. A fight. Or someone ignoring you completely.
In K-drama, almost any villain in a K-drama will use this. For example, in Itaewon Class, Jang Dae-hee might use this when furious with Park Saeroe. Hey, give me this. Very demanding. This is highly impolite and demanding. Yeah is rude to strangers, and ju is the most casual, commanding form of give. Never use this when asking for something from a stranger, an elder, or someone you need to be polite to. It sounds like you're barking an order.
Yeah, 이거 줘.
Now you try. Formal.
Yeah, 이거 줘.
Casual.
For a polite request, use 디거 주시겠어요? 아이지오 주시겠어요? Would you give me this? 오르 디거 좀 주세요. 아이지오 좀 주세요. Please give me this. Yeah, 이거 줘.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
Yeah, 이거 줘. 네. 손님. 얼마예요?
Watch your pronunciation. The in is the soft ch sound, like in church but without the t, followed by the w vowel, which is like w in wonder. Be careful not to make it a hard j sound. They would reply.
A shocked or annoyed look, possibly a cold네.
In K-drama, in Hospital Playlist, the doctors might use this tone with very close colleagues, but never with patients or superiors. Did you eat? Too casual as a general greeting. While a very common and warm greeting among close friends and family, using, with strangers, superiors, or in formal settings can be overly familiar or even awkward. It's like asking a random person on the street, "How's your tummy?" in English. Use "hello" or "have you eaten?" More formal instead.
밥 먹었어?
Now you try. Formal.
밥 먹었어?
Casual.
This is already casual. For a polite 버전. 유스 식사하셨어요? 식사하사이야스요요. 오르 심플리 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 밥 먹었어?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
밥 먹었어? 네. 안녕하세요. 아, 안녕하세요.
Watch your pronunciation. The in is a tense S sound, like in sit, but with more tension in the tongue. The EO vowel in is the relaxed O sound, like sun. Don't make it a harsh SS or SA sound. They would reply.
From a stranger. A confused or slightly awkward네.
In K-drama, in Hospital Playlist, the doctors often greet each other with this, showing their deep, personal connection. It's not a generic public greeting. Quick quiz. Which phrase should you never use to tell someone to get lost in a polite conversation? The answer is jin-JJA. Here's everything you learned today. Phew, that was a lot to unpack, right? But now you're armed with crucial cultural knowledge to avoid those awkward situations. Remember, context and respect are key in Korean communication. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and let us know in the comments which phrase surprised you the most. Don't be a K-drama character in real life, unless it's a polite one. Winking face.